Hi everyone, welcome back to the PooLin's channel. Today I will show you how to embroider on towels. Make sure to watch until the end because I will be sharing some super useful tips to make your embroidery look perfect. First, let's take a look at what you will need for towel embroidery. The EOC06 towel, scissors, needles, threads, hoop, and stabilizer. Towels are thick and absorbent, but this also means they have a high pile, which can affect the embroidery results. Therefore, we need to pay attention to stabilizing method and choosing the right stabilizer. Since high pile towels can cause the embroidery thread to thicken, making the design unclear, we use wash-away stabilizer. This works like a protective layer that helps the stitches stay on the surface instead of getting lost in the fabric. Look, it's like this. There are two types of backing stabilizers to choose from. Tear-away stabilizer, best for small simple designs. You can easily tear it off after embroidery. Cut-away stabilizer, ideal for large, dense designs. After embroidery, you will need to cut off the excess, and some stabilizer will remain on the back. To keep the towel stable during embroidery, here are three methods you can use. Hooping method. First, place the backing stabilizer into the embroidery hoop. Then lay the towel flat. Ensuring the embroidery area is smooth. Cover the surface of the towel with a wash-away stabilizer. Then secure it with the embroidery hoop. Floating method. First, secure a piece of backing stabilizer in the embroidery hoop. Then lay the towel flat on top of the stabilizer, ensuring there are no wrinkles. And use small pins to secure the edges. Finally, cover it with a wash-away stabilizer to prevent the embroidery thread from sinking into the towel. Sticky stabilizer method. Cut a piece of fusible stabilizer to the appropriate size and put it on the back of the towel, with the adhesive side facing down. Using an iron to apply heat, ensuring the stabilizer adheres firmly to the towel. Then hoop it and proceed with embroidery. Getting the right placement is key for perfect embroidery. First, fold the towel in half both horizontally and vertically to find the exact center, and gently press to create crease. Once you've determined the embroidery placement, use a washable marking pen or a positioning pin to mark the center point for easy alignment. Next, let's choose a design that works well for towel embroidery. For For this project, I'm using the floating method to secure the towel. Now let's attach the embroidery hoop to the machine. Before you start, press trace to preview the embroidery area and ensure correct placement. Once everything is set, press ready and then hit start to begin. Let's start the embroidery. And we were done. Let's remove the tongue from the hoop. Let's remove the stabilizer and see the final effect. It looks great. I'm really happy with how it turned out. The colors match my tongue perfectly. That's for today's towel embroidery tutorial. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and subscribe for more embroidery tips. Got any questions or ideas for future videos? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time!